A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to every one of you. Actually, I do this because I have my footage in YouTube. So I would like to talk by note. I put in the note because to avoid misunderstanding or what else. Anyway, my name is Abdurrahman Cruz. And I introduced also my companion Abdurrahim, this one. And this is my son actually, my elder. And my second, Muhammad Yusuf. Actually, before I Christian, everybody Christian. And then now I convert to Islam. And these two kids is my son. And this is Abdul Karim, Nestor Bujibut, a Christian. So anyway, my group work as a propagator in my country, Philippines, no? So, my aim as a leader of my group to introduce to all people to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the God of all prophets who create heaven and earth, and to worship Allah. And also, I campaign, actually I start now by YouTube. The video you can see named Philippine Islamic Propagator. This is my channel actually. This is for peace, actually. To all brothers and sisters in Islam, please help us by your pray, dua. We hope, we beg to Allah, those people who believe in the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they continue to worship our Creator, no other but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we beg to Allah also the peace of mind, especially to my brother and sister in my religion, to all time. We beg to Allah to give us guidance as a good slave of Allah. And I campaign to all brother and sister of mine in my religion, for please let us love all people, whether what kind of religion they are. Please let us think love and peace to each other, even who you are. Think always peace and love. Thank you very much.